Hello guys. My name is Joss CS. In this video, I am going to present before you my new project, that is, Glitz Day Planner. Glitz is a to-do web application that lets you keep track of your chores. I have created it using HTML, Bootstrap, and Python. In this site, dashboard is the place where you can find the day planner. But you must be logged in for accessing it. For that, go to the sign up page and fill the credentials. After signing up, you will be redirected to homepage of the site. Then, go again back to the dashboard. Now, you can see a day planner form. Fill it with your activities. On the form, you can add the heading of activity, a small description, and also a deadline date. You can sort the activity into many lists. You can group the important activities, home activities, work activities, etc. Glitz will provide the facility to edit your activity after assigning it. After making the changes, click on Update button. Let's create one more and add it to a different list. Yet, that also works fine. Once you complete a task, you can mark it as finished and update your to-do list. One more feature is that you can delete the activities once you have finished it or on change in mind. Yet, that also works fine. There is also an About Us page as well as a contact page. At times, there may be issues that will hinder the smooth flow of the site. On noticing any such bug or unrelated complaints, please do contact me using this page. Yet, that's it. This is my project, and hope you guys all have enjoyed it. Share your comments in the comment box. Thank you.